At the Omidyar Group, we are dedicated to fostering healthy societies where empowered and compassionate people can thrive.
Together, our work has contributed positive, meaningful value to the world. But sometimes we wonder, will it get us to the enduring change we are ultimately hoping to see?
There are times when we encounter roadblocks. It can feel like the movie Groundhog Day when, despite our solutions, we see the same problems over and over again.
Or, when we solve one problem, another pops up somewhere else, like a game of whack-a-mole.
Most confusing of all is when we find ourselves in opposite day, where our solutions somehow end up making things even worse.
It's what some blood banks found when they tried to increase donations by paying donors. But they found that this actually demotivated altruistic people, which led to fewer donations overall.
Or take homelessness. People have poured resources into funding shelters to address homelessness, but in many large cities, this didn't reduce the overall number of people ending up on the streets. The question is, why?
It's because shelters were never meant to provide a path to sustainable living, and because job training programs can't make a dent if there are no economic opportunities.
And no one program can address the underlying challenges. These factors are all interconnected and interwoven.
This is a truer representation of reality, but it's confusing, frustrating, and messy. It can be hard to know what to do with this mess.
So we've challenged ourselves to add to our toolkit. We believe that systems thinking can help. Systems thinking is a mindset, a collection of tools, and processes for engaging with our messy world.
Systems thinking helps us gain clarity by making sense of complex environments and understanding the interconnections.
It helps us find leverage and reveal points in a system where modest actions have the potential for significant impact.
It helps us adapt so we can engage with constantly changing environments and see the ripple effects of our actions within the broader context of the system.
Together, systems thinking helps us to gain clarity about a complex problem in order to find leverage, so we may act strategically with confidence. When we see the effects of our actions on the system, we learn and adapt, and these lessons fuel a virtuous cycle.
We've looked for examples where systems thinking was making a difference. In Calhoun County, Michigan, service providers decided to use systems thinking to tackle the issue of homelessness.
What they realized when they looked at the whole system was that funders and providers were actually incentivized to choose quick fixes, even when they knew it wouldn't lead to sustained change. Shifting that pattern wasn't easy, but systems mapping helped them see where they could intervene to change how the system behaved and to increase funding for higher leverage approaches like Housing First. This helped decrease homeless numbers in Calhoun County, despite the fact that unemployment was going up.
Our approach here at the Omidyar Group is constantly evolving to incorporate insights from many fields. We believe this kind of systems thinking is a powerful addition to our toolkit.
We look forward to partnering with you and learning together as we pursue the enduring change we want to see in the world.